to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. Hey sister, it's really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. I like the way he's speaking, his confidence is speaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I'ma like what's underneath them. No, I ain't been to MIA. I heard that Cali never rains and New York's hard to wait. First let's see the West End, I'll show you my brethren. I'm liking this American boy, American boy.
Ouais, je t'ai touché le guidon. Ah merde. Ah, ça passait tranquille et j'ai touché le guidon, mais alors... Tu t'es pas fait mal si tu regardes ton vélo là. Non, 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 non.
Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. Can we get away this weekend to take me to Broadway? Let's go shopping, baby, then we'll go to a cafe. Let's go on the subway, take me to your hood. I've never been to Brooklyn and I'd like to see what's good. Dressed in all your fancy clothes, sneakers looking fresh to death, I'm loving those shell toes. Walking that walk, talk that slick talk, I'm liking this American